Hello everyone, we are from Group 6 and today we will teach you guys about partial pressure. In this video, we can discuss more about what is actually partial pressure, where it occurs and so on. And hopefully that you guys can understand and enjoy this video, and don't forget to give us thumbs up and comments below. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's go. First of all, you guys need to know what is partial pressure. We are surrounded by air and gases that have a partial pressure in a mixture of gases. And all of these gases can be dissolved, diffused, and react according to their partial pressure. In order to understand more about partial pressure, by understand the Dalton's law. Dalton's law proposed that total pressure exerted by the mixture of gas A, gas B, and gas C is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of each of these individual gases. Next, we will discuss about partial pressure of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the body that occur in two parts of our bodies, which is lungs and systemic capillary.
This is the view of the circulatory system in human body. As you guys can see here, where the oxygen will diffuse into a blood capillary and becoming an oxygenated blood, while at the same time carbon dioxide will diffuse out from the capillary to the alveoli, and this process was occurred in the lung. In the systemic capillary, carbon dioxide will diffuse into a blood capillary and becoming a deoxygenated blood, while at the same time oxygen will diffuse out from the capillary to the body cell. And this diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide are depending on the concept of partial pressure. Let's go into deep explanation about the partial pressure of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the lung. As you guys can see here, the partial pressure of oxygen is equal to 100 mm of mercury in the alveolus, and the partial pressure of oxygen in the blood capillary is only 40 mm of mercury. The division will occur from the high concentration of oxygen in alveolus to the low concentration of oxygen in blood capillary, while the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in blood capillary is 45 mm of mercury, and partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the alveolus is only 40 mm of mercury. The same concept was occurred that the division flow from the high concentration of carbon dioxide in the blood capillary to the low concentration of carbon dioxide in alveolus. As a result, the partial pressure of oxygen in blood capillary becomes 100 mm of mercury, and the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the blood capillary becomes 40 mm of mercury. Then this oxygenated blood was pumped to the systemic circulation, and take note that there is no gas exchange occur during the blood travel through arteries and arteriole until reached at the systemic capillary. Next is the partial pressure of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the systemic capillary. The concept is the same as the diffusion of the lung. The diffusion flow from the high concentration of gas to the low concentration of gas. The partial pressure of oxygen in blood capillary is 100 mm of mercury, and the partial pressure of oxygen in the body cell is 40 mm of mercury that cause the diffusion occur from the blood capillary into the body cell. Besides, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the blood capillary is 40 mm of mercury, and the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the body cell is 45 millimeter of mercury that cause the diffusion occur from the body cell into the blood capillary. As a result, the partial pressure of oxygen in the blood capillary becomes 40 millimeter of mercury and the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the blood capillary becomes 45 millimeter of mercury. Then, this deoxygenated blood was returned to the heart and pumped back to the lung, thus the circulation occurred. This is the animation of the diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide at the lung and the systemic capillary. Look at the difference between diffusion of gases in the lung and the systemic capillary. Can you see the difference? Answer by yourself. In conclusion, oxygen can diffuse into our body when the concentration of oxygen in our body is low. First, we need to understand that gradients promote gas exchange in our body. Second, gas exchange occurs at the lung and tissue level. Third, gas measured in partial pressure and the movement is down the concentration pressure gradient. That's all from us. Thanks for watching this video and give us thumbs up if you guys understand what we teach in this video. See you later. Bye.